In this video, we'll provide a detailed step-by-step guide on how to change your Facebook password without relying on WhatsApp verification. Whether you're unable to access your linked WhatsApp or simply prefer using alternative methods, this tutorial will show you how to update your password securely using email or other options available in Facebook's Account Center. What you'll learn. 1. How to change your Facebook password without WhatsApp verification. 2. Step-by-step instructions for using email to reset your password. 3. Tips to secure your account with a new password. 4. Advice on creating a strong password and protecting your account from hackers. Steps covered in this video. 1. Open your Facebook app or website. 2. Go to the menu, 3 horizontal lines. 3. Navigate to Settings. And then click on See More in Account Center. 4. Select Personal Details. Then click on Contact Info. 5. Choose your email. If needed, delete any unrecognized accounts by selecting Delete Account and confirming. 6. After deletion, return to the login page and click Forgot Password. 7. Choose an option to receive a code, e.g. email, for account recovery. 8. Open your email, retrieve the code, and input it into Facebook. 9. Create a new password. Ensure it is at least 6 characters long. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. 10. Confirm the new password and click Next to complete the process. Final tips. After successfully changing your password, remember to log out of other devices if prompted. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for better security. Regularly update your password to keep your account safe. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips. Let us know in the comments if you encountered any challenges or have further questions.